Where are U.S. presidents in 2025? Their education, wives, children, and wealth. Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will talk about the current U.S. Where are they in 2025? What are they doing? What their wives used to do and are doing now? How many children they have? And how much wealth they hold? 1. Donald Trump, current president, 47th president, 2025. Education. Bachelor's degree in economics from the Wharton School, University of Pennsylvania, before presidency. Real estate businessman, host of TV show, The Apprentice, Billionaire investor, what he's doing now. Re-elected as president in 2025, restructuring government under a project. 2025, reversing many of Biden's policies, current wife. Melania Trump, former model. Now living a more private life, former wives. Ivana Trump, 1977-1992. Model and businesswoman, 3 children. Donald Jr., Ivanka, Eric Marla Maples, 1993-19. Fun daughter, Tiffany Children Jr., total 5. Donald Jr.'s Valania wealth, before presidency, $3. $1 billion in 2025, over $4. $5 billion. 2. Biden, former president, 46th president, 2021-2025. Education. Bachelor's degree from University of Delaware, double major, history and political science. Law degree from Syracuse University College of Law, before presidency. Senator, for presidency. Senator, vice president under Obama. What he's doing now, retired from politics, focusing on family and writing, current wife. Dr. Jill Biden, educator and author. Continued teaching even during presidency, former wife. Nelia Hunter Biden, died 1972. Died in a car crash, 3 children. Beau Hunter. Naomi children, 3 Beau, deceased. Hunter businessman. Naomi died in childhood. Wealth, before presidency. $1.05 million now. Over $10 million, 3. Barack Obama, former president, 44th president, 2009-2017. Education. Bachelor's degree from Columbia University, law degree, JD. From Harvard Law School, president of Harvard Law Review. What he's doing now, producing documentaries on Netflix, lectures, Obama Foundation work wife, Michelle Obama lawyer, author, youth motivational leader, children, 2 daughters, Malia and Sasha wealth, post-presidency net worth, over $70 million for George W. Bush, former president, 43rd president, 2001-2009. Education, bachelor's degree from Yale University, MBA, from Harvard Business School. What he's doing now, painting and working for veteran support causes wife. Laura Bush, former librarian. Involved in social work, children. 2 daughters, Barbara and Jenna wealth. Estimated around $40, $50 million, 5. Bill Clinton, former president, 42nd president, 1993-2001. Education, bachelor's degree from Georgetown University, Rhodes Scholar. At Oxford University, did not complete degree, law degree. D, from Yale Law School, what he's doing now. Clinton Foundation, public speaking, social programs, wife. Hillary Clinton, former Secretary of State, author, politician, children. 1 daughter, Chelsea Clinton wealth, through books, lectures, and foundation. Over $90 million viewers. These were the current President Donald Trump and 4 former presidents of the United States. Their education, current roles, wives and former wives, children, and wealth in 2025. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments. Who do you think was the most effective president among them? Goodbye.